Now, the entrepreneurs amongst you will be looking at the current market conditions as a perfect opportunity to buy a new machine tool and get the best deal. What about this? The Litz LU 620 from DTS in the UK, available on special offer and from stock. A 5-axis machine. Here you can see the table on the machine. It shows you how the machine is configured. The table's obviously supported both sides. Here we're seeing the Y-axis, which comes out on a ram, and here again we're seeing how the table is supported at the front, which gives you a really good working environment. The X-axis moves on the column on this machine, so you are essentially taking the spindle to the part as opposed to moving the table and the part to the spindle. Some may say that this is a better machining environment and you can take heavier cuts and expect to get more precise machining results. This machine itself, the 620, it does come with a Heidenhain 530 controller, 12,000 RPM spindle. It's got an oil cooler. It's got linear scales on certain axes. You've got 32 tool changer or a 32 station tool changer on this machine and a 12,000 RPM spindle. Now, all of the features that I've mentioned are standard. Also swarf management too. All of those things come as part of this special offer. What's interesting is the automation that they're offering as well. Here we've got a pallet pull on the machine. You can have this with it, or you can have a tower, opt for the tower, and go up as opposed to going out, which is what some manufacturers are looking to do these days. You can have 8 pallets on this machine. You can also have a tool magazine up to 220 tools in order to keep this machine running lights out, whether it be full 5-axis machining or positional machining. This Litz machine from DTS is on special offer, and you can add the automation to it. It is a cracking deal. You need to contact them at their website at dtsuk.co.uk to find out more about the offer. This is a perfect opportunity to get a great deal on a great machine.